Now winner number 2.
To give away these awards, let me now invite Mr. Mohammed Halim Khan, Director General of CAPART from the Ministry of Rural Development, to please come up on stage. Mr. Khan, please. A round of applause for our very distinguished guest. We have heard him speaking earlier during the day, but I'd like to invite him to say a few remarks again. Thank you.
So, congratulations to all the winners and 3 cheers to the human ingenuity and all the people who are associated with this EX. That's all.
Then yes, all the winners to start coming up. In the interest of time, please come up fast. The first one will be Tokyo Tori from Bangladesh, followed by MSME.com, also from Bangladesh, and Nepal Wireless. So let's begin with Tokyo Tori from Bangladesh. Please come up. A round of applause for our guests from Bangladesh who come here to claim the first prize in the e-business and enterprise category.
Actually, the both couldn't come, so I'm just for them. I'm just collecting the awards for them.
The award and the certificate, please, and a round of applause for Tokyo Tori from Bangladesh. And on the trophy as well. MSME.com, Bangladesh. Are they also in the audience? Will they please come up? MSME.com, Bangladesh. Yes, please. One of you, or even both of you can come up. Our second winner from Bangladesh in the category e-business and e-enterprise, MSME.com online platform.
Thank you for all. We are on behalf of others for all. Thank you everybody.
Most welcome. And on the trophy and the certificate, please. Nepal Wireless, where is our VIP Maxis Award 2007 winner, Mahavir Pun from Nepal Wireless. They've all heard you, but I'm sure they can hear you again.
I would like to thank Manthan Award organizer very much for this program. Nepal Wireless, I am a CEO formally, but before that, before we become formal organizations company formally, so this was just informal team, and I was just a team leader. So on behalf of all these people who helped to build this wireless network and to start all these kind of e things, so I would like to take this award, and I would like to thank all my friends for their help.
A round of applause, please, for Mahavir Pun from Kathmandu, Nepal Wireless, the trophy and the certificate. And we also thank Mr. Khan for felicitating the award winners. Now, category number 3, e-culture and heritage. We have 2 winners in this category. Let's roll the first video. E-culture and heritage in society to please come up on stage. A round of applause for Rajneesh Singh, Internet Society, also one of the sponsors of this event, and I'm sure you got a very good glimpse of him during the panel in the afternoon. Rajneesh.
Thanks, Madan. Congratulations to all the finalists and the awardees in particular. Please continue innovating and continue creating. Thank you.
Let me invite the people from Apurva, India to come up first, followed by Punjab Digital Library. Will start making your way towards the stage? First, Apurva, India.
Well, the good part of Manthan is that they don't disclose the finalists till the end, so we don't actually get an opportunity to create a speech for that. So thank you, Manthan, and thank you, everyone. Thanks.
And the trophy and the certificate for Apurva, India. A round of applause for the first winner in the category e-culture and heritage. And now let me invite our second winner to please come up on stage, Punjab Digital Library, India. Second winner in the category e-culture and heritage. I hope you all got a chance to see their booth. They had very good exhibits on how exactly they archive and digitize information. But if you didn't, you must check them out from the website, or you can get a few words from the organizer now.
Thank you very much to Manthan and all of you. I have just one thing to say: let us digitally preserve all that remains of our heritage. we really need to put the best that we have to offer within the reach of our children, and our children will be very close to digital in any format, may they be computers or mobiles. So we need to put the best that we have to offer within their reach. Thank you very much.
Now the trophy, please hold it from the base. The horns will break otherwise. The certificate as well. A round of applause for Punjab Digital Library winner number 2 in the category of e-culture heritage. Thanks Rajneesh, and thanks to both the winners. We now come to category number 4, e-education. We have 4 winners in this category. So let's go to
manner, making it easier to conduct meaningful comparisons among schools. The parameters include the number of schools, their grade-wide enrollment in states, examination results, even the conditions of classrooms. Additionally, this project also serves as a monitoring tool for the government's flagship program, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan.
3 winners and a special mention.
The Bihar Education Project Council (BEP) has introduced computer-aided learning in middle schools across the state. This project, eSamarth, is being implemented in 244 schools across Bihar's 34 districts. It will also help the government implement its flagship education scheme, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. The project sets up computer labs with 3 computers, 4 UPSs, 1 server, 1 printer, 1 scanner, 1 generator set, and a K-YAN, a community learning device in all schools. As many as 171 chapters of various subjects have been selected for eSamarth, and for that, 1,637 teachers have been trained.
So once again, 3 winners, Guruji School Report Cards and Computer Aided Learning India, and the special mention was Paperless Admission System from Bangladesh. A round of applause for all the winners, please. And let me now invite Mr. Mahavir Pun, Nepal Wireless Magsaysay Award winner of 2007, to come up, say a few words and give away the awards to these new startups. A round of applause once again for Mr. Mahavir Pun from Nepal.
I didn't mention in my presentation that I am a teacher also. I taught in a school for 12 years, so I am very much interested in providing e-learning materials to the school children when I build the wireless network. That's one of my focus. So I would like to thank you, all these winners who did different kind of activities to provide e-education for children. Thank you very much.
Let's take all the winners up on stage. First, implementation of Computer Aided Learning India, CAL. Will you please come up on stage? Is anyone from? Yes, please come up. And will the others also get ready? School report cards and Guruji India. A round of applause for the first of 4 winners in the e-education category, implementation of Computer Aided Learning in India.
First of all, thanks to the jury and thanks to the state government and our partners in implementation, that is the Bihar State Education Development Council. Thank you.
Now the trophy and the certificate, please. A round of applause for Computer Aided Learning from India. Next up, school report cards. Oh great, the whole team is here. School report cards India, a round of applause for a system which is changing the way education is being monitored and reported in India. Acceptance speech, please.
We used to receive data from none less than 1.3 million schools imparting elementary level of education across the country from 633 districts. The real winner of this award is the school headmasters, the cluster resource center coordinators, the block resource center coordinators, the MIS in charge at the district and state level, and my whole team at the national level. Thank you Manthan and thank you jury.
Now the trophy and the certificate for schoolreportcards.in. Please check out the website and see the amazing wealth of information you can get. The trophy and now the certificate. Again, a round of applause please for the absolutely phenomenal educational information system. Thank you. And third winner in this category, Guruji from India. An LED-based blackboard system for teaching mathematics and languages, I believe currently English, Hindi, Gujarati, And Marathi, thank you. 4 languages, I remember, yeah. So this is Guruji, India.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Manthan. Guruji has a mission to eradicate illiteracy, and we need everybody's help and support in achieving this. Thank you once again, Manthan.
Now the trophy and the certificate, please, for winner number 3, Guruji, in the category E, Education. And we also have a special mention to paperless admission system of Shah Jalal University of Science and Technology in Bangladesh. Will our friends from Bangladesh please come up again, or if they aren't there, can another representative come up? Yes, please. From Bangladesh, paperless admission system of Shah Jalal University. A few words in acceptance, please. Thank you. Welcome to India.
Good evening. I am from Bangladesh government to receive the award from the mountain. We are grateful to receive this award. Nobody is here from the Shah Jalal University. They have done an epoch-making step in paperless administration in the country. I will hand over the prize and I will carry the good wishes of India to them. Thank you very much.
Trophy, a special mention trophy and a certificate to Shah Jalal University from Bangladesh. Also, a round of applause for Mr. Mahavir Pund from Nepal Wireless for once again coming up on stage. Thank you so much. Category number 5, we're almost a third of the way through now. Category number 5 is E-Entertainment, and we have 2 winners in this category. Let's have the videos for the 2 winners.
ABBA is the first Sri Lankan 3D game developed by GameCore. Earlier, players were used to playing foreign names developed by mostly Western developers. ABBA not only uses the Sinhala language, but it is also based completely on Sri Lankan history. Set in 400 BC, the player in the game is Prince Pandukabhaya, and the weapons he uses are those which were used in that era, consisting of swords, axe, bow and arrow, etc. Stereoscopic or 3D technology further adds to the thrill and suspense of the game.
And now winner number 2.
Spiel Studios' latest game, The Sea Link, is India's first 3D iPhone racing game to be developed fully in India and published worldwide. It is the first game to have an Indian theme where the player can drive an auto rickshaw on Mumbai's Bandra Worli Sea Link. The Sea Link was ranked number 3 in downloads in the games category and number 7 overall in the Indian iPhone application store. Spiel Studios has helped in promoting game development in India and has become among the top 5 gaming companies in India.
2 winners in the category E-Entertainment. I'm not sure if you can ride rickshaws on that bridge, can you? I mean, no you can't. Well, in the game you can. See, so that's the power of gaming. You can open up new horizons. Anyway, to give away these 2 awards, I'd like to invite Karthik Taneja from VeriSign to please come up on stage, say a few words and give away the awards. A round of applause for our speaker from VeriSign.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to come and meet all of you. I sincerely want to congratulate each and every person and institution who is involved in developing such wonderful innovations. Many congratulations to all the winners, all the nominees, and everybody who's doing such pioneering and innovative work. Many, many congratulations. Thank you.
We told we don't have someone from ABBA, Sri Lanka in the audience, but I would like to call the youngest delegate perhaps at this event, Sachini, to please come up on stage and on behalf of ABBA Sri Lanka to accept this award for winner in the E-Entertainment category. ABBA Sri Lanka. A round of applause please for Sachini. He may even make a speech on their behalf.
Thank you. I came here to collect the award and the certificate for ABBA. And I'm Sachini from the City Agency of Sri Lanka. Thank you, Manthan.
From ICTA Sri Lanka. Now the trophy and the certificate please on behalf of ABBA Sri Lanka. And now Spiel Studios India. Is someone from Spiel please come up on stage? Spiel anyone from speed here? Or would it be? Okay, we'll have to do without that then. Anyway, thanks so much. A round of applause for Mr. Taneja from VeriSign. And let's move on now to the next category, which is E-Environment and Science. This is category number 6, E-Environment and E-Science.